Do you want to convert your van into a camper without using tools? Impossible, you say? Well, it's not. With Furgomania, now you can convert your van into a camper from the comfort of your own home. No need to go through a workshop. Visit our website and discover the 10 brands we collaborate with. Choose the kit you like the most, and in a few days you'll have it at your doorstep. Our kits are easy to install, no tools required. And best of all, without making modifications to your van or going through legalization procedures at the MOT station. Unleash the possibilities for your van with Furgomania. We are your solution. We are Furgomania.